Okay, guys, this is going to be the topic for our class of today. We are going to see the pendulum's law. So this is like a little reminder of what is a pendulum. This is a pendulum. This topic is still a part of the topic of simple harmonic motion. It's still the same, but we are going to like study the pendulum in another optic, in another point of view. Okay. So we have, again, we have the concept of the period, and we have here different characteristics that are affecting this period, that are changing its value, like the amplitude, for example, like this, the amplitude, like the mass, like this mass, for example, and like the longitude of period, of the period, like the longitude of the rope, because this is a rope. So if you change one of these values, the period is going to change. Must change all the time, always. For example, look at this. Look what happens with this system that is changing their longitude. Look at this. I know, that's so cool. And we have, this is the pendulum's law. This is the pendulum's law. We are going to work with this pendulum's law. T is going to be, again, the period, because we are studying this, what happened with the period if we change this. And L is going to be the longitude of the rope. And G is for the gravity of the Earth, or the moon, or Saturn, or whatever you want. So, example, I'm going to do the example with you. I'm going to do it off camera, so that's the reason I'm not going to put it here. So I have these exercises here. There are only one. This is only one exercise that has like 5 sides. So that would be all for today. So thank you very much for your attention. You're being so kind. Remember to follow me on my social media. Blah, 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 blah. So see you in another video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.